Hello friends, I'm Dr. Rohit Batra from Dermaworld Skin and Hair Clinics, and today we are going to talk about melasma. Yes, melasma is a skin condition in which hyperpigmented spots, that is dark colored spots, develop on the butterfly malar area of the face in humans, mostly in females but can occur in males also. It can also occur on the nose, at times on the forehead, and rarely on the chin also. Now, melasma, as the term signifies, its mask of pregnancy, but it can occur in males also, and it can occur in females also who are not pregnant but are suffering from any sort of hormonal imbalance, or if they are going out in sun because of the sun exposure. So the main causes behind a melasma are excessive sun exposure, hormonal abnormality, people who are suffering from any sort of thyroid disorders or have B12 deficiency has also been known to be affected with melasma. But sun avoidance and hormonal control, they go a long way in controlling the symptoms of melasma. Now, when someone is suffering from melasma, it's needed that they first come to terms as to melasma is something that even if your dermatologist gives you a treatment, you have to make sure that you avoid sun exposure, you take care of your hormones, you take care of any vitamin deficiency if you have, and when your melasma patches are gone with the treatment, you have to use some maintenance therapy to prevent it from coming back again. Talking about the treatment consists of hydroquinone, retinoids, topical steroids at times, peels, lasers, and nowadays we also have iontophoresis that can help in controlling melasma, curing melasma. Once the melasma has been controlled, or rather the patches vanish, then you need to take care that in a part of maintenance regime, you avoid going out in sun, you use a good sunblock. A sunblock needs to be applied half an hour before sun exposure, and if you're out in sun, you need to reapply every 1.5 to 2 hours. Topical preparations containing kojic acid, arbutin, vitamin C, niacinamide, mandelic acid can be used. When we talk about oral treatment for melasma, tranexamic acid, vitamin C, other vitamins are used. Rarely, oral retinoids that are vitamin A derivatives have also been used for melasma. So I understand that melasma is something very chronic, and people, especially the females who are suffering from it, are looking for a treatment, but you need to be sure that it's not only about treatment, but it's about your lifestyle. It's also about how you take care of your skin. Just using treatment creams are not going to solve the problem unless and until you prevent yourself from developing melasma again and again. So sun protection is something that is very important. So make sure you prevent yourself from going out in sun, you prevent yourself from the UV rays, and you take a help of your dermatologist in curing, controlling, and preventing melasma. Take care. Bye bye.